Hello, hello. Welcome to Beauty Kitty Studios. I am going to review these SHEIN Halloween nails, the Scream movie vibe nails, the Scream mask. I don't remember what it was called. I am going to skip nail prep because I do not actually want them to stay on that long, but if you do want them to last more than a couple days, I do recommend checking out my nail prep videos. I will add those in the information section of this video. So for these, I'm just going to use some just regular liquid glue. This I just got from a Kiss set of nails. You know, that glue lasts forever. I was a little worried about these because they're not like the greatest fit for my nails personally. You know, we're all shaped differently, and that includes our nails. So they're not like the greatest for me size-wise, but I can kind of hide it. And that's even with the 24 different sizes. They just don't fit me that great. But like I said, I can usually hide it. It's like if you're staring at my nails super up close, then you're gonna see some flaws. With that, so I would not do the sticky tabs with these just because they're sheer. Like you can see the glue through them. So the sticky tabs, when they kind of bubble and they just never look right, you can see that under the nails. For me personally, it just kind of takes away from the look and the design of a set. So that's why I prefer the liquid glue. They're so cute! Hard to see. There's going to be a photo up close at the end of this video of the little dagger, the knife. It's actually like pink and glittery. The glitter isn't really coming off, so I'm kind of impressed by that. I was thinking I'd have to add a little top coat to it, but so far they're holding up. I wanted to try to do one of every design on each nail. There's a pink pumpkin accent nail in this set, but it just didn't fit. Every single one of their accent nails seems to be a size 5. Like I need a little bit more variety, so I couldn't really fit that one in. But I was able to get the little rhinestone bling one. The rhinestones are staying on, surprisingly. Usually they pop off in my hair like right away. If I look at it too hard, they usually pop off. Oh my god, I have not actually seen the Scream movies since they were in theaters, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go binge those now, because it's been a while. But they're so cute! The link for these is in the information section. Check those out. They are from SHEIN, super affordable. Get them now while you can. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. And if you like what you see, click that subscribe and follow me for more fun videos.